Hello, so I just woke up this morning and it's currently 9:47 on Saturday the 14th of December. It means we're leaving in 10 days, so I'm quite excited. Going out with Sylvia and Michelle today to IKEA and just to randomly shopping. I guess we're going to catch up with Sylvia before we go as well. So yeah, I'm also making them personalised Christmas cards. Since they gave me an awesome card for graduation, but it's so sad because I don't have time to make anything that awesome since I'm leaving in 10 days. And it's really, I kind of feel bad because they made that in 5 hours. I'm going to give them Christmas cards with long messages. And I'm going to draw pictures in them. So I have my colour pencils. That's why I woke up a bit extra early this morning. So I'll show you the finished products. So I just finished the card, the drawings, and they're both the same, but in Michelle's one, it has Michelle and Yuno in the big love heart, whereas Sylvia's one, it has Sylvia and Suho in the love heart. So it says, "Let's be family forever." It's an inside joke. So they have the same picture, but just interchanging couples. Yeah. So I'm going to give them this in the car. I was supposed to originally give this to Michelle in Korea because it says, what a year, right? This year has flown by too quickly and I can't believe we're in Korea since we're going to be there Christmas Eve. But then I'm giving Sylvia's today and Michelle might be like, "Where's mine?" So, and I don't want her to wait 10 days for a card. So I'm going to give it to her today as well. So I'm ready and I'm waiting for Sylvia to pick me up. She said 11:10, but I'm not 100% sure. And it's currently nearly 11. I just need to drink my milk tea. And yeah, the plan is I'm going to be giving the Christmas card in the parking lot when we go to Westfields, because Michelle needs to go to Westfields to do an errand. But I'm going to give the Christmas card in the parking lot, and we're going to give it to Sylvia only and see what Michelle's reaction is. And then, obviously, I'll give it to Michelle after, like 10 seconds after. I'll be like, "Oh, I have something for Sylvia." And then I'll give it to Michelle. But anyways, I got ready, and I feel very spring today because I'll show you what I'm wearing. Okay. So I'm wearing this top from Forever New, and it's fuchsia, I guess that's the colour of it, and then floral shorts, so it's like a floral high shorts, white sandals, and a watch I got from Kmart a while back for $15, which was a bargain. Anyways, I can drink my milk tea and then hopefully Sylvia will come.
Yes, it's recording. Hello everyone. Hello. So we're currently on our way to IKEA. Yes, we stopped by Westwoods before, and now we're just so white. It's so sun. There's a lot of sunshine. Angel. Yeah. We'll see you at IKEA. I can't see you. Bye bye. So right now we're trying to look for parking, but this area is only 15 minutes loading zone.
Hello! So we made it to IKEA!
Yes!
And now we're going inside.
I haven't been to IKEA in ages.
Wow, look at it.
Oh, it's long.
It's really pretty. I smell cinnamon.
Donuts?
It's like a reading test.
That's bad eyesight. We got Caesar salad so far.
It looks really nice. The salted nut caramel. And then like the picture matches.
Let's get napkins.
Let's get napkins. I'm serious.
You want tomato sauce?
Let's try the Swedish lingon.
Yeah. So we got chicken Caesar salad, and we got the fisherman basket. This was $12. This was $7. Yeah. Ta-da! Yummy. Yummy. Wait, just in case you can't hear, she said that the cleaner was looking at us. Okay. Yes, ready, second. We love our bread, we love our bun, we love small, we love each other. Happy eating! Is it yummy?
I know.
It's okay.
Not the best.
No.
It's not fresh. It's
Yeah.
frozen.
The chicken taste is weird. Is the chicken weird?
It's okay. It's edible.
This is chicken, right?
This is really weird. This is like hen.
Yeah.
So apparently this is cola.
Yeah.
It's the mineral water. It is.
Does it taste bad?
You drink it. It's your turn. Wait, do it like this.
Huh?
You know how they do it in films?
Oh, like it's like I'm drinking it.
We'll still get us your house.
What?
Move. I want a photo.
It's Sylvia's house because she likes yellow. Whoa, scared me.
Looks so cow.
Pow, wow.
This will. Oh, okay. Maybe not. I was gonna say this will make me wake up.
Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy. I wish my rooms were like IKEA. They're so pretty and neat, and there's so much storage. Like Demi said that it's such a small area, yet they make it seem so big, which is true. Oh, I like this. Sorry.
If I was to put this in my room,
They're like lanterns. Okay, let's go. Next one. We're gonna take forever to get through IKEA because we'll go through every single one. But like, oh, I like this. I like that. It's sheepskin. Look, it feels really nice. Do what you did, Sylvia. Say it.
stinks. Swag.
She was like, it's something that G-Dragon would wear.
Stinks.
These lights are pretty.
I think this is like the sofa bed.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, okay, good day.
Hello. I really like these lights and I'm considering on buying them for my room. They're only $15.
Do you get all of them?
Yeah.
Do you get all of them?
Yeah.
Good, yeah.
But I like, do you know how,
Yeah.
so do you know how I came like this all like Christmas lights with stars, right? I should get that.
It's a video. We can still take a photo though.
So welcome to my walk-in wardrobe. It's a little bit empty right now because
We just moved in.
yeah, we just moved in.
Well, she just moved in.
My husband made this. Isn't he clever?
To prove that she had a husband, some of his shirts.
Oh, the same. She likes to show his nipple.
He's really confident with his body.
Yes.
He likes to show his nipple.
He's a fashion star.
Wears really simple, basic clothes. Yeah.
This is Michelle's favourite thing to wear. It's a red woolen dress. It represents TBX.
Yeah.
TBXQ.
TBXQ.
Hello, everyone. I can see Michelle looking at me. This is Michelle's potential bed. She thinks I'm filming her, and she's making peace signs, but really I'm not. I'm filming myself. Yes. We're looking at beds. Anyways.
So while David was looking at wardrobes, we were. How is it?
I think it's too dark.
Too dark for your clothes?
Yeah, too dark for our clothes. My clothes will be really scared.
Wait, guys, want this?
I gotta go to Narnia.
I love you.
Don't you need coats? You
okay.
take my cardigan. Just joking, guys.
So, we're with Sylvia, and because during our IKEA tour, the song All I Want for Christmas came on.
by Mariah Carey.
And we changed the lyrics up and changed it to all I want for Christmas is snow. Michelle's like here, you know, live at home.
New choir.
Yeah. And this chalk is really cheap. It's $1 for 24 pack. So I'm gonna get it for Tanya's birthday. Yeah.
Yo, we just finished shopping at IKEA. We bought our stuff. Ooh. We're getting soft serves. That is 70 cents. So Sylvia said that she's gonna pay us stuff for the food, but we're actually paying it for today because she drove us here.
Yeah. He was standing in the line vlogging. And the guy was on the line up.
Are you tired? Can't lie down. Bump into you. Stop it, people think I'm lesbian.
Where's
Sylvia's gonna hold it. She hold it. It's three. Hello, we just got ice cream from IKEA. The machine was so crap.
Yeah, because touch the button. You have to press it really, really hard. I couldn't do it.
I think because people use it too much, it gets stuffed up. But the ice cream tastes better than McDonald's.
Whoa. Sorry. It's okay. It's fine. She's too busy vlogging.
Okay.
She just stepped over our pram.
This is never ending. It's like a maze. This car park is so unconventional.
It's stupid because it's like right next to IKEA.
Exercise It's so funny. Exercising while eating ice cream. All this walking just to get to the next level. One level.
This is your dump toilet.
We made it.
I love you, no! Oh wow, the sky is nice.
So pretty.
Be nice, even Australia.
Yeah. Like, you'll get annoying, but
This makes us look like we live in that old back. I was like, it's a nice view, and I see bed shit.